Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to give you some top places to visit in Jaipur. Number one is this Birla Mandir. So this mandir is located just in the center of Jaipur, and it is one of the most visited places in Jaipur, and it's very decorated during Janmashtami time. You must visit this place if you're ever visiting here. So this is the interior of Birla. So inside you can't photograph. This is a beauty. Next is the Albert Hall Museum. So the Albert Hall Museum, I have already shared a video on that. You can have a look. I will share it in the link below. Next we can hop on to Jantar Mantar. So Jantar Mantar is one of the UNESCO's heritage. So it was built by Maharaja Jai Singh, and it has a total of I think 9 instruments. So you could check this out, and you should definitely have a guide as a tour, otherwise you won't understand what each instrument does. So this is a must visit. Next is the most decorated Hawa Mahal. So Jaipur is not complete until you visit Hawa Mahal. So these are the insides of Hawa Mahal. As soon as you enter, you get a view of this kind of a corridor kind of thing. So after entering, you can see the pink statues and the galleries, so people can visit this place, and it is a good point for photography if you want to have a good clicks for Instagram. And let's move to inside of this place. So if you want to go up, you have to take these kind of inclines, and let's go. So after reaching to the top, you have to take a few steps if you want a nice view from there. So this is the inside of the place. It looks beautiful, it looks elegant, and if you could just visit one of these areas, you could see the whole city from here. You could also see the distant forts. So this is a 360-degree view on top of the Hawa Mahal. You can see terraces of the nearby residents. So this is traffic area. So I visited this place in Sunday, and it was quite crowded as you can see. So next is the Jal Mahal. So this is also one of the most visited place in Jaipur, and this is a nice place if you want to visit for a quick evening stroll. So there are people there asking you for photographs. You can find some hawkers, vendors selling golas and charts. Next we can move on to Amer Fort or Amber Fort. So this is how it looks from the road, and it is a quite climb up to the top. You can book autos or jeep for going up, and it will take I think 500 rupees up to the top. This is the back view, and we climbed from the back to the parking area, and this is how we reached inside the fort. So this is a common area during that era. So I really like this door. It is quite huge. So let's go in, and as we go in, we can climb up to the top, and from there we get a nice view of the whole city. And there it is. Isn't this beautiful? Just mesmerizing. Wow. And I love this view so much. You can see the man-made lake and the area in between. So at night I think they have some light and sound show also. We didn't have that time, so we just quickly visited the fort and went out. Also, I wanted to show you this Sheesh Mahal inside the Amer Fort, and it was such a delight to watch this. You can see these little mirrors and the reflection. So the designing is such an intricate, so that you can see your own reflection in all the corners of the room. And quickly, I wanted to show you this big kadhai. It's so huge. So that's it. I hope you like my video, and if you like, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.